Alright everybody, I did some analysis of my noise. Fantastic, outstanding, wonderful noise. Anyway, let's zoom in and see what this actually looks like on the graph here. And kind of interesting. Zoom back out, and that was at 10 meters. Oops, this is at 40 meters. Well, looks really similar, especially this arc. Oops, there we go. Especially this characteristic arc, wave, and two small waves and a peak. So that's kind of interesting. That's at 40. So I'll come back over here and take another sample of the noise at, oh, doggone it. Hey, come on. Okay, we're going to look at the sample of noise again. This is at 2.3 megahertz. It'd be like 130 meters ish. Anyway, much more defined peak, but it still has that wave spike. You'd really see it here. It still looks really similar. The noise does, the noise pattern. What I'm gonna do now, oopsie. Let's see. Alright, we're gonna take a selection right here. Gonna analyze it. Plot spectrum. And what this shows me is the peaks of the different audio, the frequencies of audio. And I'm noticing a really tall peak right here. Put the cursor over top, come down here. What's it read? 120 hertz. Very interesting, because Powerline noise normally is 120 hertz. So we'll come over here and analyze this section as well. I wish I had a real mouse instead of a laptop pad here. Anyway, there's a tall spike right here. What's it read? 121 hertz, so basically the same. And this is our noisiest one right here. We'll measure that. And we'll go ahead and put our cursor over that tall spot. Huh? Right there it is, 120 hertz. So there's definitely a spike right at 120 hertz. Now I'll put the noises at the end in a row. It'll be 10, 40, 2.3 megahertz, and this is AM band, 1745 broadcast AM. Be like 171 meter. 171 meters, something like that. Anyway, the noise went down considerably, as you can see, and it does have a little bit of shape to it, but not really. So you definitely can't hear it in the AM broadcast band. So if you were to take your AM radio and go out and try and find it, you wouldn't see it. So I'll play those noises back in order. 10 meters, 40, 2.3 megahertz, and 1.745 megahertz, respectively, at the end of this video. And you'll hear the noise is relatively same to the human ear on all three, with 2.3 megahertz being the absolute loudest. Anyway, that's all for now. That's my noise problem. Kind of weird how it's offset too. That's not balanced. It's all above zero basically. Anyway, KD0WTE, clear.